It eliminates the gray hair in a very short time, thanks to this discovery. They call it eraser. Gray hair is not just a thing of old age. Many young women suffer from premature aging, which may embarrass them a little. The quickest and easiest way to solve this problem is to dye hair with dyes. However, this brings a number of side effects, since the tinctures possess certain harmful chemicals that will cause permanent damage to your hair. If you want to get rid of gray hairs, a natural solution is more viable. But before we do, we must understand the causes of gray hairs. Hereditary reasons. If there is a history of premature gray hair in the family, then this can be passed on to the next generations. Stress. At present we have to face a lot of stress, at work, while traveling, at home. Stress and lack of sleep can cause some hairs to turn gray at an early age. Lifestyle. Eating and sleeping at random times, not getting enough sleep, and also eating junk food occasionally, can lead to premature graying as the body will not be getting the nutrients it requires. Aging process. Aging causes hair to turn gray, as the pigment cells in the hair follicles die and melanin, which is responsible for the black color, becomes transparent, giving the hair a gray or white color. Remedy to reverse the gray hairs. The use of coconut oil is the best remedy to get rid of gray hairs. It is also the secret to long, beautiful and strong hair. Coconut oil is rich in carbohydrates, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals that give the hair the nutrients it needs. It has been used by the humanity of many civilizations and is a remedy that has proven to work to have a very healthy hair. Regular use of coconut oil will result in shiny, strong, consistent and healthy hair. Instructions. 1. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Gently massage the roots of the hair with your fingertips, with the hot oil. 2. Let the oil act for about 10 minutes on the hair follicles. Then rinse with warm water. 3. Now wash your hair with your regular shampoo and finish washing with conditioner. This can be done daily to get the desired effects. Repeated use will definitely help you get rid of gray hairs and will also make you get healthy, shiny and beautiful hair.